Hey Reinas, welcome back to my channel. What we are going to do today is we are going to create a very bronze brown look because I do have an outfit in mind for that look. Stay tuned, it's gonna be easy to follow. Yeah, so let's go. First, we are, as you can see, my eyebrows are already done. Okay, I wore these eyebrows to work. Okay, leave me alone, don't judge me. It's a Monday. Your girl gotta do what your girl gotta do. That's just how it is. So we are going to put on primer. My primer for today is the Fenty Beauty primer right here. So it is the True Matte Profiltr Mattifying Primer. I absolutely love this. Like, I'm combination to oily skin and your girl gets oily in her T-zone, okay? So I need all the help that I can possibly get. You want to be really careful when it comes to your under eyes and just like your eyes in general. That is the most sensitive part of your face. Okay, we're back. How has y'all guys week been? Because mine's barely beginning. It's Monday as I'm filming this, and I feel like I've been at work for 5 days and it's just day one of the work week. If you guys do not know, I work full-time, so I do boutiquing on the side, and then I do, of course, YouTube and social media on the side as well. But I do have a 40-hour-a-week job, but it's a lot. Let me tell you, girl, it's a lot. Just like, so now what we're going to do is we're gonna go in with our Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, just a little bit to clean up underneath the eye, just to make them a little bit darker, you know. And so now this side is done. And here goes the other one. We will be going in with some setting powder. We'll be using the Fenty Beauty setting powder. Your girl is oily. So next up, we are going to put on our foundation. We are going to be using our Lorella Cosmetics foundation brush, and we are going to be using the Profiltr Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, Fenty Beauty. Right here, I'm in the shade 260. In the summer, I get a lot darker. I used to get a lot darker. Now, not so much because I like to stay inside. Anyways, sometimes I have to change my foundation up a little bit. And you notice how I kind of look sick underneath my eyes. We're going to fix that. I am going to be using the Fenty Beauty concealer. It is the Profiltr Instant Retouch Concealer. It looks like this. And for this one, I'm in the shade 230. I'm gonna go in with a BH Cosmetics number 4 brush. And ta-da! I look a little crazy, I know, but don't we always look a little crazy? Some of us might actually be a little crazy. After that, we will be setting it with the same Fenty Beauty banana powder. There we go. We're just going to let that sit for a little bit, and we're moving on. We will be using the Mini Pro palette by Beauty Creations. It is a volume 2. I am using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH30 brush, which is like this, and I'm going to go in with Butterscotch, this one right here. Super easy base color up top. We're slowly going to be moving from lighter to darker, but you can easily do this with just 2 colors if you want to. Just bronzer. I've done it for work makeup, but you know, I like to spice it up a little bit for you guys. Okay, maybe who would want to see like an everyday work makeup look? Because that would be a super easy video. So we're going in with Money Moves. Ooh, Money Moves, which is this. We're going in with this color right here. And then we'll be going in with the darkest look. So we are going to be going in with bougie, which is exactly what I am, bougie. And then we're going to go in with Regal right here. What we're going to do, you see the fallout right there? That dark brown was like, major fallout, y'all. So now what we're going to do is we are going to do the inner corners. We're going to do All Eyes on Me, this one right here. Does your contact like ever do that? Like you look like at a certain point or like just randomly look off and it's like blurry? I think that's what a scratch is, no? I could be wrong. And then there goes almost the finished look. So after that, we are going to wipe off all of this. So now we're going in. Apparently this is all Fenty Beauty Night. I had no idea this was gonna be Fenty Beauty Night. Fenty Beauty, please sponsor me. This is the number 4 Sun Stalker Instant Warmth Bronzer called Island Ting. And y'all know how I like to do my forehead bronzer. Like, it has to be thick. And then of course you gotta get the papa. What do y'all call it? Double chin? Ooh. Ooh. Love a good nose bronzer. Next up, we're going to do powder. So of course I have my Urban Decay All Nighter powder. Y'all know this is OG for me, guys. It's waterproof, sweat-proof, like your makeup will last all day long. I wore it to San Antonio Fiestas one year in like 90-degree heat. It was hot AF, y'all, okay? And my makeup did not budge. All of the people I was with, their makeup was like literally melting off, and mine was like, okay, bitches, I'm here, I'm ready. My makeup did not move. Next up, we are going to finish the eyeballs, and we're going to smoke it out down here on the waterline. And then we're going to be going in with the proper liner. We're going to be using the Romantic Beauty Professional Makeup liner, which is like this. We're going to do the bottom liner. We'll be using the Urban Decay D-Slick right here. We're going to go in with the lashes, guys. Woo, woo. That was easy. And now the lipstick. Little trick I learned. If you do right in the middle, right here, it makes them look fuller. Sometimes, not all the time. So the liner that I just used is called Ctrl by Colourpop Cosmetics. And then I am using a Morphe lipstick called Goosebumps. It is mega matte. So it does look like this. It is brand new. I think I've only worn it once. But like, look at how beautiful that brown is. The brown. And then we are going to use Hot Chocolate Heat in number 4. It's the Gloss Bomb Heat by Fenty Beauty. So it looks like this. I did get a chocolate one. It's a plumping gloss. So then let's do this. Hey guys, this is the finished look. As you can see, I am all decked out in my outfit. You will see this posted on all of my social media, so if you're not following me, go ahead to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Thenatalireina, and also go ahead and go follow me on Instagram and TikTok as Thenatalireina. Okay, I'm on TikTok, I'm on Facebook, and I'm on Instagram. Please make sure to go follow me so you can see the whole full outfit, the whole fit look. Okay, again, thank you guys so much for rocking with me. This was an easy smoky bronze brown tutorial. I will see you guys next week for another new video. Peace.